Nafoitoa Valu Talaimanu Keti is a Samoan politician and former Deputy Speaker of the Legislative Assembly of Samoa. He is a former member of the Human Rights Protection Party. Keti is a former police officer and assistant police commissioner. He was first elected to the Legislative Assembly in the 2016 Samoan general election and was appointed Deputy Speaker. In May 2019 he removed opposition MP Olo Fiti Vaai from the Finance and Expenditure Committee after he criticised government spending decisions. In March 2021 Keti was accused on EFKS-TV of attempting to rape a fellow police officer in 2007 when he was a supervisor at the Faleolo Police Outpost. The TV station was subsequently raided and his accuser arrested and charged with criminal libel. Keti's seat of Gagi-Morganau 3 was eliminated by boundary reforms in 2018. He stood in Gagi-Morganau 2 at the April 2021 Samoan general election, but was unsuccessful. This article about a Samoan politician is a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it.